let's start the second part. First of all, we have a cell. So for your consideration, I have taken the human cell with me, okay? So look through it very carefully. Here we have the centrioles. The centrioles are the sky parts, you can see it. Okay, mark it. Sky parts, this Golgi apparatus is the pink parts. These are all organelles, cell organelles. This is cell membrane which we talked about. This is a nucleus. Sorry, this is a nucleolus. The part that is present within the nucleus is called the nucleolus. Next, here we have the nucleus, this green part. You can see this green part. Nucleoplasm is the green part. The light green part is the nucleus. Next, we have the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are spread here and there. All these things. The lysosome, which is the digestive bags of the cell. It eats the cell whenever the cell becomes old. Next, the mitochondria, energy production center of the cell. Ribosome, protein synthesis center of the cell. Next, cytoplasm is a whole liquidy substance in which the thing flows on. Then smooth, that is, it doesn't have ribosomes attached to it, is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now how can you make out that this is which is the rough one and which is the smooth one? The one which has no ribosomes attached to it is the smooth one, and the one which has ribosomes attached to it is the rough one. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, cytology. See this, can you see this? The study of cells is being taken place, and a dye is like a violet dye is being put on it to color the cells. Okay, the branch of biology that deals with the study of cells is known as cytology. Okay, so the cytology, if cytology haven't been there, then we have been faced various kinds of problems, like we couldn't have discovered many medicines which are very useful for us. Now they are trying to take up a cell of coronavirus or COVID-19, and they are studying that. The scientists are studying that, and they are trying to make out a medicine out of it. Okay, next, cell membrane. Now see, this is not needed for you. This diagram is not for you. This diagram is not even for ICSE. The jelly-like, colorless and translucent fluid that occupy... I'm very sorry. The thin, delicate and flexible semi-permeable membrane that surrounds the interior of the cell. This diagram is not necessary for you. Still something I'll mark you which are important. Now see, we have in our body glycoproteins, carbohydrates, glycolipid, cholesterol, globular protein. Okay, these all are peripheral protein, channel protein. These are all types of protein. Okay, and these proteins, carbohydrates, are needed for the formation of cell membrane, which protects the body from various foreign substances. Okay, so that's why you need to eat properly. Okay, next we have the cell wall. This is also not needed. Okay, I'm just showing this location of the cell wall. Please wait, all of you. Okay, now see. Okay, cell wall structure. The pectin is there. Pectin you don't need. Cross it out. Cross-linked glycan you don't need. Cellulose microfibrils you don't need. Middle lamella. Okay, you don't need this. This is a primary cell wall. This is a plasma membrane. See, just present under the cell wall. But in animals, plasma membrane is the cell membrane. But in animals, we do not have the cell wall. Okay. Okay, so this is the structure of the cell wall. You don't need it. Okay, just leave it. Cytoplasm. Yeah, see here, cytoplasm, the whole thing you can see. There are many kinds of organelles present here. Okay, so I'll teach you one by one, maybe in the next lesson or this lesson only. Okay, the gel-like, color-like and translucent fluid that occupies the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus is known as cytoplasm. Next, nucleus. Where is the nucleus? Yeah, you have the nucleus over here. See? Now this is important. You have the nucleolus over here, the chromatin, which consists of the chromosome. You have the genes over there, and then you have the nuclear membrane, which is just like the cell membrane. You also have a nuclear membrane over here, and the nuclear pore. Okay, pore is not needed. Cut it off. Pore is not needed for you. These three are only required. Okay. Next, Chromosomes. Chromosomes. Yeah, you see? A thread-like structure inside the nucleus that carries genetic information in the form of genes. This is one chromosome, but I'll show you. This is one chromosome. This one. Another one is this one. They two smash up to form a new chromosome. Sorry, this is one gene. This is another gene. Together forming a chromosome. See? This is a gene. I am writing a G. This is a gene, okay? You don't need to know the spelling right now. Or if you want to know, then check your book. Okay. Next, plastids. Plastid also diagram is not necessary for this class 6. The cell organelles that contain color pigments or food that are found in the cytoplasm are known as in plant cells. It is mainly for the storage of food and the making of food. This is plastids, okay? You don't need the diagram. I am not going through it, okay? Next, I will show you just more through two things. So, hold your patience. A animal cell and a plant cell. Very, very interesting. So, let me start. See an animal cell very, very carefully. What do you see? You see a cell membrane. Plant, okay? Cell membrane. So, I will mark it in red. Lysosome, you see. Nucleus, you see nucleolus. Nuclear membrane, vacuole, mitochondria. You see a centrosome, you see a cytoplasm, you see a rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, and you see a Golgi body. Right? These are all you see in the animal cell. Now, please mark centrosome. Okay, centrosome I am marking in another color. I am marking it in brown color, okay? Centrosome I marked in brown color. Now, let's see, you can go to the plant cell. Plant cell I will mark in blue color. Okay, let me mark in green color, okay? Marking to be done in green color. Okay. Now see, rough endoplasmic reticulum you have it here also. See? Where do you have? Here you have it. Chloroplast you have it. No, you don't have anywhere, right? Next, lysosome, see? You have the lysosome over here also. Okay. See the vacuole? Do you have the vacuole? Here. You have it here, but see, it's very small compared to the plant cell. See? You can see the cell wall over here. Do you have it here? No. You have the cell membrane, not the cell wall. Don't forget. Next, you have the Golgi complex here. You have the Golgi body. You see the Golgi body is over there also. Okay? You see the Golgi body? Can you see? Here. Okay? Next, we have the cytoplasm. You have the cytoplasm over here, right? See, same thing. I am just marking out the characteristics. The cell membrane you are having, you are also having the cell membrane over there. Over there you are having, over there you are having the cell membrane. Ribosome you are having, ribosome you are having the ribosome here also, right? Here, the ribosome. Mitochondria do you have? You are having a mitochondria also. Next, you are having a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You are having this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleus also you are having. Yeah, it's having nucleus. Okay. So, you can see the comparison very, very carefully. You will mark it once more and just take up a snapshot. Okay. First. 1, 2, 3. Over. Okay, till this much. Thank you.